We're here to answer your 5 most common questions about our hydraulic coupler. From how long does it take to fit, can it be used on a canopy digger, and what size D-shackle you need for the lifting eye. Continue watching to find out more. What do you need to retrofit a Rhinox hydraulic coupler to your excavator? Rhinox hydraulic couplers come with all the necessary fittings you need to connect your coupler to your specific excavator. Whether you need a full fitting kit from the cab to the dipper end, or just the hydraulic hoses to connect your hitch to the hydraulics, your coupler comes with it all. At the point of filming, we are currently offering a free fitting service to install your coupler within 2 weeks of purchase. Order now to make the most of the offer. So, how long does it take to fit the Rhinox hydraulic coupler? This all depends on how much hydraulic piping your excavator already has. If your excavator is piped from factory with all the necessary hydraulic and electric fittings to suit a hydraulic quick coupler, then fitting will be quick, usually about 1 to 2 hours. If your excavator needs full fitting from the cab to the dipper end, a fitting can take 3 to 4 hours, as you will require installation of additional components, like an activation switch or control box. Can the hydraulic and electrical components be used on a canopy excavator? All the components that are supplied with our Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler are fully waterproof. Although these components are safe to use in the rain, if any damage occurs, for example, if you have a split in your hydraulic pipes or in an electrical cable, this would be deemed unsafe to use and should be replaced to avoid injury or damage to the equipment. In the unlikely event of a defect or malfunction to occur due to a fault by Rhinox, then we offer a full 2-year warranty. That means that we will replace the coupler or the component parts free of charge during the warranty period, subject to verification of the faults. Check out this video here for more information on our 2-year warranty. What is the working load limit of your Rhinox hydraulic coupler? We offer a range of hydraulic couplers currently ranging from 1.5 up to 9 ton excavators. Each of our Rhinox hydraulic couplers has a lifting eye that has been Lola tested and has a working load limit that must be abided by. The working load limit for each size is as follows. 1.5 ton has a working load limit of 800 kg. 2.5 to 4 ton has a working load limit of 2,500 kg. 5 to 6 ton has a working load limit of 4,000 kg. And 7 to 9 ton has a working load limit of 5,000 kg. What size D-shackle do you need for your Rhinox hydraulic coupler? The size of your lifting eye will vary depending on the size of your coupler. This means a different size D-shackle is required for each different coupler size. If you're wanting to use your lifting eye for lifting purposes, you will require the following D-shackle diameter. For 1.5 ton, you will require a 13mm D-shackle. For 2.5 to 4 ton, you will require a 21mm D-shackle. For 5 to 6 ton, you will require a 24mm D-shackle. For 7 to 9 ton, you will need a 28mm D-shackle. If you have any further questions about our Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler, don't hesitate to get in touch. And don't forget to check out more videos about our Hydraulic Quick Coupler here. For example, it can take 3 to 4 hours as you... A fitting can take 3 to 4 hours, as you will require No, why do I keep saying additional?